Hi friends, welcome to VCreation Technologies. Please do like and subscribe to our channel so that you will get latest notifications. And today in this video we will talk about how to change the .NET framework version in our project. See, the project can be anything like our MVC project or ASP.NET project or console application, or it can be a Windows Forms applications. And in this video we will talk about how to change this .NET framework version in our MVC project or in our ASP.NET project. And to demonstrate how to do this, so let me just move to the Visual Studio to give you an example. So here this is my MVC applications, and so when we just want to change our .NET framework version, so what we will do is just right click on our project and click on properties, and here if you can see, this is the target framework. So my current .NET framework is .NET framework 4.5, and here it is showing me all the .NET framework version. So whenever I will just change my .NET framework version, then it will just ask for me a pop-up that whether we want to change the .NET framework version or not. So when I click on yes, then automatically it will change the .NET framework versions, but it will be having dependencies. Like let's say I have an existing project and I just want to change to different .NET framework versions. Then during that time what happened is that so many times build errors will come, so you need to just take care of that one. So now just I am changing this one to .NET framework 4.6 version. So now this pop-up came and it is asking me that changing this target framework may require manual modification of project files in order to build. So whenever I will just click yes, then automatically the .NET framework version will upgrade it to the 4.6. But after this, if I put a build, then it may occur with some of the build errors. So during that time we need to resolve the build errors and we need to publish those. So whenever you face some scenarios like this and you want to change this .NET framework version, so just change it here and just click yes. And as you can see, this is my MVC application, but we can do with the ASP.NET applications as well. So this is my ASP.NET application, and just go to the properties, click on applications, and here also the .NET framework version is 4.5, and whenever I will just change to .NET framework 4.6, then it will also ask for the same prompt message. So if I click yes, then it will just change it to 4.6, but it may occur with some of the build errors, but we need to resolve those build errors and we need to publish that. But the recommended way is to not change the target our .NET framework version regularly, but if you want to change, then you can change it here. But you need in many scenarios you can face some of the errors. If you really want to change those .NET framework version, then you need to resolve those build errors and you can publish as well as build and release those projects. Thank you.